Are you a fan of Elon Musk? Have you ever wondered why he bought Twitter? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to dive into the reasoning behind one of the tech industry's most talked about purchases. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're discussing a topic that has been on everyone's minds. Why did Elon Musk buy Twitter?
Elon Musk is buying Twitter for an estimated $44 billion.
Twitter reportedly planning to sue Musk to make sure the deal goes through.
Elon Musk has now completed his $44 billion deal to buy Twitter.
The world's richest man, now in charge of one of the largest social media platforms.
Elon Musk says he's stepping down as Twitter's CEO days after users voted for him to step aside.
For those who don't know, Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, and he's known for his unconventional and sometimes controversial use of social media. In fact, he has often used Twitter to share his thoughts and updates about his companies, as well as to engage with his followers. Of course, Musk is a member of the PayPal Mafia, a group of entrepreneurs who established the massive payment system in the late 1990s and went on to become millionaires. For Musk, money is in his blood. So when it was announced that Elon Musk has purchased Twitter, many people were left scratching their heads. Why would the CEO of two major companies want to own a social media platform? Well, it turns out that there may be more to the story than meets the eye. Let's take a closer look at the possible reasons behind Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter. First of all, it's important to know that Elon Musk is no stranger to use social media to make headlines, and he's known for using the platform to share updates about his companies and to engage with his followers. With more than 122 million followers and one of Twitter's most active users, Mr. Musk started acquiring company stock this year. He agreed to buy the business in April for $44 billion, promising to change Twitter's content moderation procedures, get rid of spam, add new services, and be more open about the algorithms that are used to promote content. So it's possible that he saw Twitter as a valuable tool for promoting his businesses and reaching out to his customers. By owning the platform, he would have even more control over the way he uses it to connect with his audience. Another possible reason for Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter is the fact that it's a powerful platform for public disclosure. With so many people using the platform to share their thoughts and opinions, Twitter has become a major player in shaping public opinion and shaping the conversation around important issues. As the CEO of two major companies, Elon Musk likely understands the value of having a strong presence on a platform like Twitter. By owning the platform, he would have even more control over the conversation and the way his companies are perceived by the public. And it's worth considering the possibility that Elon Musk simply saw Twitter as a good investment. The platform has a large user base and generates significant revenue through advertising and partnership. As a successful entrepreneur and investor, it's possible that Elon Musk saw an opportunity to make a smart financial move by purchasing Twitter. Additionally, Twitter could be a valuable acquisition for Musk because of its reach and influence. As mentioned earlier, Twitter has a large user base with over 330 million monthly active users as of 2021. This reach could be useful for Musk to promote businesses and ideas to a wider audience. Furthermore, Twitter is often used by journalists, politicians, and other influential figures to share their thoughts and opinions. By owning Twitter, Musk could potentially have more sway in shaping the conversation and influencing those positions of power. It's also possible that Elon Musk saw Twitter as a way to diversify his holdings and invest in a new industry. While he has had success in the tech and transportation sectors, owning Twitter would give him a foothold in the social media industry, which has its own set of opportunities and challenges. Musk bought Twitter at $54.2 per share when the Twitter stock was trading at $34 per share. Soon, Musk realized it was a bad deal financially and attempted to back out of the agreement, claiming that he would now be significantly overpaying for the business. Twitter uncharacteristically sued Musk in June to force Musk to finalize the transaction at the agreed-upon cost of $44 billion. That paved the way for an absurd court battle between Musk and Twitter, which was trying to persuade someone to acquire the business they no longer want any stake in. Musk's attorneys attempted to make the case that the company's officials misled him, notably in regard to the number of bots on the website. However, legal experts pointed out that Musk had signed the contract without performing any due diligence and would have a difficult time winning at a prospective trial in a Delaware court. Musk gave in before being cross-examined by Twitter's attorneys. He entered Twitter's San Francisco headquarters carrying a sink after deciding to purchase the business. He afterward jokingly said, in reference to a viral Twitter meme, "Let that sink in." The most urgent adjustments Musk is making to Twitter include significant staff reductions. Musk started firing employees just days after moving into the facility with a few of his friends, and there are concerns that up to half of Twitter's 7,500 global employees could lose their jobs. In an effort to cancel out any outstanding salary for those individuals, he sacked Agrawal and other top executives along the company's board of directors. Teams responsible for content moderation, legal, and communications have also suffered significant layoffs. Digital advertising sales continue to be Twitter's primary source of income. Twitter generated $5 billion in revenue prior to Musk's acquisition of the business by selling promoted space to businesses seeking to advertise. A pitch document claims that Musk wants to reduce the company's reliance on advertising by increasing subscription revenue, adding users, and imposing fees for uploading videos. Musk also intends to enable online payment capabilities for users. Since taking over 2 weeks ago, he has already alienated several of the company's advertisers with his activities. However, Musk will need to increase income because his interest payments on the debt the company has taken on the loan amount to approximately $1 billion annually. Super applications are already well liked in some regions of Asia, especially in nations with stringent laws and regulations and limited or no access to a wide range of apps. WeChat, which has more than 1.2 billion users, has integrated third-party services into its app that don't need to be downloaded, that enable individuals to post messages, text friends, make purchases, and send money, for example, since Google Play Store is prohibited in China. According to Musk, the purchase of Twitter was a part of his grander ambition to build the ultimate software for Western markets. The naming rights for Musk's payment company, X.com, which later merged with another company to become PayPal, are already his. In order to transform Twitter into X, the super service, Musk may start verifying user IDs. However, the divisive new owner will have to persuade current visitors to stay on the website and not look elsewhere. Politicians and antitrust regulators in the US, where there is rising concern about the need to rein in tech companies that currently dominate the market, are likely to oppose Musk's ambitious intentions to turn Twitter into a super app by merging voice, communication, and money into one app. In a nutshell, there are many potential reasons why Elon Musk may have decided to purchase Twitter, whether it was for data, reach, or the opportunity to diversify his holdings. It's clear that Elon Musk sees values in the platform and its potential. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this exploration of Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter to be informative and interesting. If you have any additional thoughts or ideas on the topic, be sure to leave a comment below. Until next time, have a great day.